Nipple. Yeah. Hello guys, today I'm playing White Noise. I'm already in the game. Oh god, I'm fuzzy. Why am I fuzzy? What's going on? It's supposed to be like Slender. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freak. Freak was the freak. Oh my god, he's naked. He has a penis. He has a freaking penis. He has a Peter sticking out. He's trying to poke me in the eye. This Peter's trying to poke me in the eye. Dude, he's still following me? Oh, dude. I'm surprised this Peter didn't touch me from here. Holy crap. Oh guys, I can't handle this. It's going freaking hard. Oh. Where is he? Kind of get in the camera. See what jump scares. Oh, freak, freak. Oh my god. That's how bad I'm shaking, guys, right now. Really. Oh, freak, freak out of here. Still following me? Freak. Freaker, freaker, freaker. Still chasing me? Oh, guys, we're good, guys, we're good. Freak. Look at that. Jesus. Only got one. Freak me! Freak me! Freak out of here. You still following me? Guys, it can't take much for freaking more of this. God. And if you, I hope you guys like that intro. I know it was kind of random, but you know, it's a random thing. Oh, stupid girl. Guess it gets me green. Look at it. Yeah, this means I get to look at it. Still only one tape. We're down. Got one tape still. I'm getting fuzzy. Near me. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh, that bell scared the crap out of me, dude. Heck. Freak. Freak. Oh my god. No, oh my god. Get away from him. Get away from him. I can't move anymore. That's all for today, bros. I'm sorry. But, bros is fanos. That's all. That's all for today. See you next time. Clap, clap.